In the papers today, in economics news, George Osborne has refused to rule out a cut in the top rate of tax from 45p to 40p after latest figures on the economy hailed a healing economy within the country's output growing at the fastest rate since 2007. The Chancellor is under strong pressure from Tory MPs to help people on middle incomes by raising the starting rate for the 40p higher tax rate band, which currently starts at £32,011 a year. However, Cameron has signalled that his priority would be to take more people on low incomes out of tax by raising the personal tax allowance to £10,000 a year. Ed Balls, the Shadow Chancellor, came under fire from Conservative and Lib Dems for giving only a grudging welcome to the official figures yesterday. In personal finance news, savers' hopes of seeing a rise in interest rates are dashed by banks and building societies who have built up an £130 billion chest of cash. The Mail has discovered that big high street names are stockpiling savers' cash on which they are paid no interest and have seen it grow by a fifth in the past year. In March, savers will have seen 5 years of a rock-bottom 0.5% Bank of England base rate and endured a number of policies created to get the economy back on track but pushed interest rates even lower. The Funding for Lending scheme in particular, which offered a cheap source of cash to lenders' mortgages, meant banks no longer needed to fund these deals from savers, resulting in interest being cut from many deals. Despite these miserly payments, the amount of money people hold in bank savings accounts has jumped by 4.4% in the past 12 months, meaning that banks and building societies currently hold over 1.1 trillion of people's money. In property news, almost 20,000 people are purchasing new properties through the government's Help to Buy scheme. Figures released yesterday show that there have been 12,875 sales of newly built properties since its launch last April, with a further 6,446 in the pipeline. This comes after Vince Cable warned that the initiative should be reconsidered amid a raging house boom in London and the South East. However, results show that the highest level of uptake has actually been in other parts of the country, with most sales in Leeds, Wiltshire, Milton Keynes and Manchester.